Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your partner on Facebook. So whether you're engaged or you're married and you want to add your partner while setting up your relationship status, let me show you how to do that. So all you have to do once you're on Facebook, click your profile on the upper left, then scroll down and one of the options is going to say edit details. Click on that. Scroll down to the relationship section and click on add a relationship status. And if you don't have any relationship status there, it's going to give you the option to add a relationship status. Now, as you can see, I already added one. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And once you go ahead and edit it, you can select it. Now, if you don't have any relationship status, it's going to look just like this, where it's going to allow you to add the relationship status. So this is how it's going to look if you don't have it set. Click add a relationship status, change this to, for example, married, change this to, for example, married or engaged, whichever one you want. And from here, you can type in the partner. So it's going to say, start typing something and you can add the partner there. If the partner is on your Facebook account, you'll be able to find them and add the partner. It's like a link in to that account as well. So that's all that you have to do. Just simple type them here and go ahead and click and save afterwards. That's pretty much it, guys.